Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today we are learning Surah Al-Asr. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. والعصر. مخرج of واو is circling your lips. ففتحة open jaws attached lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut and tawassut is medium flow up sound. Well, this l sound is tawassut. As. Ain from your throat. ففتحة open jaws attached sad. Sad will get sifa of rakhawa and it is heavy. It has safir sound. Safir means whistle sound. And then there is raw, which is being which has sukoon because of this waqf, and you are making this raw heavy now because with this sukoon because it has fatha before it. Asr, and you're giving tawassut on raw. Wal asr. In Hamza is very sharp. For Kasra, give E sound attached with Nun. Nun will get sifa of Gunna. This Gunna is Akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Nal. For Fatha, open jaws attached with Lam. Lam will get sifa of Tawassut. And Tawassut is medium flow of sound. In Hamza is very sharp. For Kasra, give E sound attached with Nun. This is Ikhfa. This Ikhfa is light, so keep your tongue straight. In. Keep your tongue straight. Sa. 2 counts long. Na. For fatha open jaws, the sound is short. La. For fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Fi. Give hums and make it 2 counts long. Khusru. Kha is heavy. For the circular lips attached with sin. Sin will get sifa of rakhawa and it is light. It has safir. Safir means whistle sound. And because of this waqf, you are giving sukoon on ra. And because the ra is with sukoon, now it is heavy because there is dhamma before it. La fi khus. Kha is heavy, but not seen. Khus. Seen will be light, and then ra will be heavy, and it will get tawassut. Sorry. Khus. إن الإنسان لفي خسر. Hamza is very sharp. For Kasra, give E sound attached with Lam. Lam will get sifat tawassut, and tawassut is medium flow sound. Lal. For Fatha, open jaws attached with Lam. Lam will get sifat tawassut. La. With Fatha, the sound is short. The 2 counts long. Na. For Fatha, open jaws, the sound is short. 2 counts long, very sharp sound because of this Hamza. Ma. For fatha upon your jaws, the sound is short. No. For the circular lips, make it 2 counts long. Wa. Makhraj of waw circling your lips. For fatha upon your jaws, the sound is short. Wa. Ain from your throat. For fatha upon your jaws, the sound is short. Mi. For kasra, give E sound. Lus. For the circular lips attached with sad. Sad will get sifa of rakhawa and it is heavy and it will get safir. Safir means the whistle sound. Lus. And then it is 2 counts long because you can see standing fatha. Sa. Li. For kasra, give E sound. Ha. 2 counts long. It is complete alif. Hati. For kasra, give E sound. Wa. مخرج of waw is circling your lips. For fatha, open jaws. Ta. For fatha, open jaws. Wa. 2 counts long. Saw. For fatha, open jaws attached with waw. This is lean, so make it 2 counts long and make it soft. Saw. Bil. For kasra, give E sound attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Haqqi. Haqqi. Ha from your throat. For fatha, open jaws attached with qaf. Qaf will get sifa of shidda. Haqqi. For kasra, give E sound. It will be comparatively light because it has kasra, but it will not be light. It is not light, but it is comparatively light than Qaf with fatha. Yes. So, حقي و for wow مخرج of our circling your lips fatha open just ta. Ta is very sharp sound with fatha the sound is short. Wa 2 counts long for مخرج of wow circle your lips. Slow again this is lean make it 2 counts long and soft, and sod will be heavy. Slow, bil for kasra give e. Sorry, bis for kasra give e sound attached with sod. Sod will get sifa of rakawa, and it is heavy. It had safi the whistle sound. Bis slab for fatha open jaws attached with ba. Sod will be heavy but not ba. Ba ki ba light, and ra will be heavy because of this waqf you are giving sukoon here because with the sukoon the ra will be heavy because there is fatha before it. So keep ba light. Sad is heavy, ra is heavy but not ba. Slab slab ra will get sifa of the wasat too. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والعصر إن الإنسان لفي خسر إلا الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات وتواصوا بالحق وتواصوا بالصبر. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله